Hi guys, let's look at this Asvab practice question together. We're told that Amy wants to fence in a yard using 400 feet of fencing. If she wants the yard to be 30 feet wide, what will the length be? This is a very simple question. The most important thing is to visualize what is going on here. Let's assume that you are Amy, okay? So you want to fence in a yard, right? We can see that this yard is 30 feet wide. So this yard has width. Now they're asking us to find the length. What shape has width and length? It must be a rectangle, right? We expected, remember you're Amy, we expected to fence in the yard that has length and width. So let's do that. Okay, so you fence this yard and the entire stretch of the fence is 400 feet. Okay, the entire stretch of the fence is 400 feet. What is that called in mathematics? It is called perimeter. So the fencing of a yard can also be called the perimeter. That's why some people call it the perimeter fencing, right? So the entire stretch is 400 feet. We are now told that the width of this yard is 30 feet. So width is the shorter part of a rectangle. So here is 30 feet. Here is 30 feet. So remember the entire fencing is 400 feet. So now we are trying to find the length. Remember perimeter, which is the fencing, is the sum of all the sides. So we can simply say 30 plus 30. We don't know what here is, so we call it length. We also call here length. Plus length is equal to 400. 30 plus 30 is going to give us 60. So 60 plus 2L is going to give us 400. We move 60 to the right, it's going to become a negative. So 2L is equal to 400 minus 60. 400 minus 60 is going to give us 340. 2L is equal to 340. So dividing both sides by 2, 2 is going to cancel out 2. 340 divided by 2 is going to give us L is equal to 170 feet. So which of the options is correct? A is the correct option. Hope you learned something from today's lesson. If you enjoyed the lesson, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and follow for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.